Welcome to our video on Flekstore. Today, we'll explore how to install IPA files and premium apps without worrying about revocations. IPA files are application packages for iOS devices that enhance your app experience with amazing features. Flekstore allows you to install premium apps easily, providing access to a wealth of features unavailable elsewhere. Let's dive into how you can download Flekstore on your device, step by step. Here's how to install IPA files using Flekstore seamlessly and without hassle. We'll also explain the Flekstore Developer Certificate for 2025 and what it means for you. Here are some tips to ensure your Flekstore apps remain active and won't get revoked. Encountering issues while installing IPA files? No problem. Let's troubleshoot those common issues. Let's explore the extensive library of premium apps available on Flekstore that you should definitely check out. To wrap it up, maximizing your app experience with Flekstore is easy and rewarding. Happy downloading!